Hey, what is up beautiful people, it's Manish and welcome back to this video. In this video I'm just gonna be sharing or overviewing the indify.co Notion widgets, which is very fantastic if you are using Notions and if you just wanna make your Notion dashboard aesthetic. So before starting you just need to sign up for an indify account and you are good to go from that. It's pretty easy steps. If you haven't used indify.co forever, then just go and just sign up for indify.co and be landing into this home page. So the first thing that I really enjoy of indify is this, obviously this clock widget. Yeah, this is a clock and you can get this clock and you can embed this clock and you can have a different type of views. Like I really love this type of features. Before I was using previously in indify there wasn't this features, but they have added this feature, so which is pretty cool, and I can add like this type of views which is pretty decent, I guess, because I haven't seen this for a very long period of time and the improvement in this thing has been pretty awesome. I'm just gonna put this analog dots because I guess it's pretty good and it's pretty, or I guess I'm just gonna put analog numbers. Okay, analog dots is better, I guess. And the time zone, you can see the time zone, but this is my time zone, so this is what I will not distort this thing because I don't want dark mode. If you want dark mode, then just enable this dark mode and it will be turning into black, and if you don't want that dark mode, then you can just undo that thing. And it is pretty easy to use. Just simply just click on this and it will copy to your clipboard, and as you can see I have many. I'm just gonna be improvising this original life cookie by Sotami Kaki, which is pretty cool. Gonna write embed and just paste over here, and this is pretty good. And if I can delete this thing and I will just I'll just drag it over to my Notion Workspace like this, and it's good. This is also one best feature by indify.co because this relates to the Google Calendar view. This is my Google Calendar where I can put my tasks and it will automatically sync with this Notion thing. I don't know how, but it does. Before I used to do with that integration mat and automation tools like that stuff, but now I don't have to do anything of that mess. So yes, that's pretty good. I think countdown is better, which means that Pomodoro method, or please set a date to view the countdown. Okay, it's not like a Pomodoro method, but it will be great if it was like Pomodoro method from embedding of in-app setup like that thing, which can be much better because I don't have to rely on the Pomodoro timer app. Instead I can just rely into the widget. So I guess that will be pretty good, but I guess this is made for some different purposes, and yeah, this is also pretty good, but I don't want to use this right now. You can use on your own preferences because I'm just doing on my own preferences. This is pretty totally unbiased thing. So yeah, the thing was this Notion buttons, which I have placed, I guess, over here, or yeah, over here, which is like my simple like bookmarks over Notion, which I click this, and it will go to replay, Jupyter Notebook, Uptime, and Tiger Flow, everything stuff like that. And which is also pretty handy. Just you can just select any colors and anything like this, and you can just copy and paste over that, and you're good to go. That's pretty easy. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, is it that easy, or I'm just tricking you, but it's absolutely not that, because indify.co is awesome in making widgets. Conclude in this video is this Google Calendar, which is pretty good. If you have never used this, then I will highly recommend you to use, because this is a deal breaker. Just sign into your Google account and you will be able to see the calendar views. Just give you access over the thing and you're good to go, and it will load your Google Calendar. You can select your calendar based on what calendar you have made. Like I have many calendars that I've set aside for myself, but for this testing purpose I'm just going to use testing widgets. And if you see, I have previous calendar also, and just today's upcoming calendars also, which is pretty good. And simply just copy and paste it over like this, and you will be seeing like this type of stuff. So basically that is from my app review, and from this app review I rate this as 10 out of 10 because this is pretty awesome. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you guys pretty soon. Until that time, peace out.